Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm J-Ben Postal, and today at the grill we're making some smoky armadillo eggs on the kettle grill. They're gonna be so delicious. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. All right, so today's kind of a fun cook. We're making some smoked armadillo eggs on the Weber kettle. They're spicy, they're savory, they're really delicious. And so there's not a lot that you actually need for this recipe. You're gonna need some jalapenos, some cheddar cheese, some cream cheese, as well as some mild Italian sausage or sausage of some sort, whether it's chorizo, breakfast, it doesn't really matter, it's your choice. And so to get started preparing these armadillo eggs, we're first of all going to take our jalapenos and we need to de-seed them and take the membrane out. So take a knife and just slice off the ends. And then with the butter knife, just go ahead and work all of those seeds out. Just kind of go around. There's one. Two. So with our jalapenos de-seeded and ready to go, let's move on to prepare our filling. And so I'm gonna grab a full block of Philadelphia cream cheese. This is just original, but if you do have your favorite, go ahead and use that as well. All right, so I got the cream cheese in. Now I'm gonna take about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and I'm gonna place that in with the cream cheese as well. And I'm just gonna mix all of these together. There we go. And then I'm gonna add in a sprinkle of my barbecue rub, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor and add a little bit of color to this inside filling. Mix that in as well. With our filling mixed together, let's go ahead and begin to stuff our jalapenos. So we're gonna take a small spoon and we're just gonna slowly press that in. We want to get as much of this filling inside of this jalapeno as possible. You want to just keep working it because there will be some air pockets in there and we want to get all those air pockets out so we can get as much filling in there as possible. With our jalapeno stuff, we're gonna move along to our sausage. We got about 2 pounds of sausage here and we're gonna take enough and we're gonna flatten it kind of like a hamburger. And then we're gonna wrap these jalapenos in this sausage. All right, there's one done. Let's keep moving on and build these other 5. Our armadillo eggs are all formed, and guys, it was a messy job. There's one last step we need to do, and that's to put a little bit of our barbecue rub on. This is my Postal barbecue rub, sweet, a little bit of heat, and I'm gonna place this on all the sides. All right, so these armadillo eggs are stuffed, seasoned, and they're ready for the grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you how I got the grill set up for cooking around 275 degrees. So to set up our grill today, I placed in a full chimney basket of unlit briquettes and got them about 3/4 of the way fully lit. I then dumped them into the grill and just sort of moved them around a little bit. Next, I added a couple pieces of hickory wood just to add some of that smoky flavor that we're looking for. Then I closed the lid and let it come up to around 325 degrees. Our kettle has just come up to around 275 degrees, so let's go ahead and get these armadillo eggs onto the grill opposite the coals. So with everything on the grill, let's close the lid. It will begin cooking these until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Our armadillo eggs have been smoking on the kettle for about 45 minutes now, and the internal temperature has come up to about 150. So let's open up the grill, take a look, and then give it some sauce. Whoo-wee, look at these. You can see that they have some nice color, and that filling that we put inside is nice and molten, because you can see a couple spots where it's just oozing out. So let's go ahead and get some of our barbecue sauce on these armadillo eggs. With everything sauce, let's close the grill, and we'll continue cooking these for about 10 more minutes before we take them off the grill to get ready for the taste test. So these smoky armadillo eggs are all done. The color is phenomenal. That hickory wood that I used on this is really vibrant on these armadillo eggs. And so let's cut them open and see what they look like. Whoo-wee, look at that. It's incredibly juicy. You can see all of that cream cheese and cheddar cheese just oozing out of that center. Oh guys, let's go in for the taste. All right, here we go. Guys, the flavor of these is out of this world. First of all, you taste that sausage and a little bit of sweetness from that barbecue sauce. Then that jalapeno hits with a punch of spice, balanced by that creaminess and that richness of that cream cheese and cheddar cheese. Guys, I'm telling you, all of this combination together is one feast that you don't want to miss out on. Those smoky armadillo eggs are fun to cook and delicious to eat. You're gonna love them. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.